Business experts will tell you it is the number one criteria of success for people who have achieved amazing lives. It's not talent, it's not experience, it's not finances. The number one key to success in finding greatness is don't give up. Sometimes the biggest step that you can make is simply get out of the bed and make the next step when you would rather stay curled up in hurt and pain and disappointment. And we've all had those days. Get back up and don't quit. My dad used to say to me, it's my favorite saying. It's a very complex scientific saying. He said, inch by inch, it's a cinch. But yard by yard, it's hard. I told you, it's deep. I'll never forget I failed a Greek test in seminary. I hated Greek. I failed it. I bombed it. I was cleaning toilets for Delta Airlines at the airport because there were so many people that were going after master's degrees. The master's degrees were dime a dozen, and all I could find was $100 a week cleaning toilets. God knew I had a humility issue, and He knew right where to put me. And I'm sitting there, I'm going after my master's. If I could qualify for welfare right now, I'm making $100 a week cleaning everybody else's waste. And man, in those moments, you have to remember what you're doing it for, why you're doing it. And when I failed that test, I called my dad and I said, Dad, I'm done. I'm quitting. I'm coming back to Arizona. I don't like Kentucky anyway. He said, I'll never forget that. Fred, he still called me Freddie. Freddie, yard by yard, it's hard, but inch by inch, it's a cinch. The most important step in your journey is the next inch. The most important step in your journey is the next inch. Right, left, right, left. Number 5, watch for the nurturers, not the naysayers. Watch for the nurturers, not the naysayers. Watch for the people who come into your life and love you and pour into you and believe in you. Those are the people you want to surround yourself with. I used to work with a lot of addicts as I was a recovering addict. And I can tell you many of the times that if you want to align your life in a healthy way, you have to get rid of toxic people in your life. And one of the hardest parts about recovery is not stopping the addiction, whatever it is. One of the hardest parts of recovery is jettisoning those people who were part of your journey in the addiction. And when you're getting well, they begin to go, come on, just one more. Come on, just one more. Come on, this is no big deal. You can do this. And you have to make a decision. Do I want to surround myself with people who are not seeking my best interests? Or do I want to surround myself with people who are going to push me and cause me to work deeper and cause me to have to look at myself and make me feel uncomfortable? If you want to seek greatness, you've got to surround those people. If you make that commitment, the law of attraction begins to set in.